If you are passionate about YouTube and want to modernize its functions or learn things that you may not have known, these simple tricks improve your life and allow you to make the most of it. Try the keyboard shortcuts to play the video to your liking. If you want to view the content in a considerable size, by pressing the T key, you can do it. However, if you prefer to capture the video in full screen, with the letter F to adopt this form. With K, you can pause and resume the video whenever you want. Go to a specific point of this is easier through the letters J and L. You will be able to rewind and forward the video. If you finish listening to the song that you like and want to replay it before the end of the video, press the number 0 key and you will get to enjoy it again. You walk down the street and you want to listen to a song you found on YouTube? Just by placing double S in the link of the song before the word YouTube appears, you can do so. You'll be redirected to a page with options to download it and save that video or audio on your device. Did you just watch a video that made an impression on you and that you want your friends to see from the exact moment or at a specific point? Well, this alternative is available on YouTube. Once the video playback has started, right-click on the mouse and you'll be shown a copy the URL of the video from the exact minute. And by just clicking on the link where you will share it, your friends can enjoy it. As we see, YouTube and its audio-visual mechanism has an endless choice, facilitating your use to find exactly what you are looking for.